Every time you plug in your device, an invisible process begins. Let's trace its path. Think about the last time your phone ran out of battery. You grab a charger, plug it in, and almost instantly, life flows back into your device. But what really happens in those moments, inside the walls and cables, beyond what you can see? Let's start at the wall. Behind that simple socket is a maze of wires carrying electricity from a sprawling grid. Power plants, maybe hundreds of miles away, generate energy, sending high-voltage electricity racing through transmission lines. When it reaches your neighborhood, transformers step down that voltage to safer levels, making it usable in your home. Now, as you push your charger into the socket, metal prongs create a bridge between your device and this vast, invisible network. Alternating current, or AC, enters the charger. But here's the twist: your phone can't use AC. It needs direct current, or DC, and a much lower voltage. That's where the charger's complex circuitry comes in. Inside, the charger contains a miniature transformer and a rectifier, a tiny set of electronic switches and diodes. First, the transformer further reduces the voltage. Then, the rectifier converts the alternating current to direct current, smoothing out the electrical flow so it's safe for your delicate electronics. But safety matters. The charger circuitry also includes regulators, tiny guardians that monitor voltage and current, keeping everything within strict boundaries. Too much or too little power can damage your device. Some modern chargers even communicate with your phone, negotiating the optimal rate for fast and safe charging. Next, the journey continues through the charging cable. High-quality cables maintain steady current flow and protect against interference, while low-quality ones can cause energy loss or even hazards. The electrons surge down the wire, reaching the small connector at the end, that familiar plug you insert into your device. Now, inside your phone or laptop, power flows to the Battery Management System, or BMS, a tiny computer dedicated to keeping your battery healthy. The BMS controls charging speed, monitors temperature, and ensures that each cell in your battery charges evenly, preventing overheating or overcharging. Finally, electrons settle into your battery, stored as chemical energy until you need them. That moment when your screen lights up isn't just a simple act, it's the finale of a complex, precise dance that started in a distant power plant and traveled through countless systems to reach you. The next time you plug in your device, remember, you're partaking in a hidden story of physics, engineering, and design. It's not just charging, it's a world of invisible effort, making modern life possible. Follow Lorelight for more stories worth knowing.